My God, we've got a beautiful day. It's early, so everybody's having breakfast al fresco. That is dining outside. They're happy. They're gonna have a big long day out here, plus another shower before the weather turns again. What?
Apple?
Oh, I'm gonna go get it. He's been asking for the apple all morning. I'm gonna get it.
Peggy?
Peggy, what? What? Hey, are you singing for me? Are you gonna sing? Come on. Sing. Come on. Are you gonna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Mwah. Oh my goodness, boy. Yeah, I did. I got a kiss. Did you give me a kiss? You another one? Good boy. You're so gorgeous. I'm gonna get your apple. Oh, Sadie, she's jealous. Ma. Ma. What? 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 Doggy? Is that my doggy? Oh my goodness, she ate the doggy. What about that monkey? Monkey? Where's the monkey? Sadie? Where's the monkey? Monkey? Did you eat the monkey? I just noticed something pecking at my foot. What? What? Kiss? Kiss? I heard that. Okay. Gotta go. Gotta get working inside, guys. Hi, honey. Hi, sweetie. Come here. No, that's it. We got the butt. You too? Okay. There you go. Okay. Will you get up? You look silly. Get up. Come on. Go up. All right, guys. Bye.